Meet the Inventory Pro AI assistant, built for grocery stores. Ask it a business question, and it reads your livestock, sales, and customer data instantly, right inside the chat. Now watch it stock a new item. Just describe a grocery product in plain language, name, price, and unit, and the assistant creates it using the same product API as a manual entry. Switch to the Real Products page and search for it. There it is, basmati rice, the exact product the assistant just created, live in the catalog. The assistant can also raise a purchase order with your wholesaler. Just name the supplier and the quantity, and it places a real order using your existing supplier and product records. Open the Real Purchase Orders page and search for it. The order the assistant created is right there, ready for approval, just like one a shopkeeper entered by hand. It can correct stock counts too. Tell it to adjust a quantity and give a reason, and it applies the change using the same stock adjustment endpoint and permission checks as a manual user. Check stock levels for that product. The quantity already reflects the assistant's correction. Live in your grocery inventory. The assistant can bill customers as well. Ask for an invoice with the items and payment method, and it creates a real sales order on the spot. Open sales history and search for it. The invoice the assistant created appears immediately, exactly as if a cashier had rung it up manually. Every one of these actions is recorded in the action log: who asked, what was created, and whether it succeeded, so nothing happens without a trace. That's the Inventory Pro AI assistant for grocery stores. Ask questions, restock products, raise purchase orders, correct stock, and bill customers with plain language, and watch every one appear instantly across the Real app.